Hello everyone, welcome to this series wherein we are trying to understand what this CLAT examination is quickly all about, right? So as I have told you multiple times, to ace this examination called as CLAT or ALET, whatever you are aiming at, two things become extremely important. One is your syllabus, will tell you what to read, and then is your past year papers, because your past year papers will tell you how to read, right? Now this question came in your ALET entrance examination of 2010. मैं क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट कर देता हूँ because there is some typing mistake. The question says Schedule 8 to the Constitution of India. Schedule 8 to the Constitution of India talks about how many official languages. How many official languages? तो याद रखो इंडिया की कोई भी नेशनल, वी डोंट हैव एनी नेशनल लैंग्वेज, बट हमारी ऑफिशियल लैंग्वेजेस हैं. Initially, when Constitution commenced, which was on 26th of January 1950, the reason why 26th January is celebrated as Republic Day, the Constitution of India got commenced, right? Implement हो गया था. We had around 14 languages recognized as official languages of India. जैसे जैसे डिमांड बढ़ता गया वैसे वैसे currently we have 22 official languages in India. We don't have to remember the official languages for the examination, but learning schedule becomes important, as I have told you in some previous video also, right? So let us quickly revise the 12 schedules of the Indian Constitution. Initially, we had 8 schedules. Currently, we have 12 schedules. The Schedule 1 talks about the Union and Territories of India. The Schedule 2 will talk about salaries of various constitutional posts. Your Schedule 3 will talk about oaths of various different constitutional functionaries. Your Schedule 4 will talks about allocation of seats. Schedule 5 about certain schedule talks about certain schedule areas, specific areas, specifically in the states of Tripura, Assam, Meghalaya, and Mizoram. This very question came in CLAT 2022 also. Your Schedule 7 talks about the different 3 lists. This question came in CLAT 2012, 15. Schedule 1 से क्वेश्चन आया था CLAT 2016 में भी. इंडिया दैट इज भारत शैल बी अ यूनियन ऑफ स्टेट्स, उसने पूछा था डायरेक्टली इंडिया के कितने नाम रिकॉग्नाइज हैं. देन योर Schedule 8 talks about the 22 official languages of India. When the constitution got commenced, it was exactly 14, right? 14 से बढ़ गया 22. Schedule 9 talks about certain laws to be read in detail. Very important, the first Constitutional Amendment Act was brought in from the Schedule 9. This was a CLAT PYQ, probably in the year 2019. Schedule 10 about anti-defection law. Multiple times इस पे क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है, आपको खुद पता है. Talks about पंचायती राज इंस्टीट्यूट, इसमें ALET पे क्वेश्चन आया हुआ है. एंड Schedule 12 म्यूनिसिपैलिटी, जिस पे ALET और CLAT दोनों क्वेश्चंस पूछ चुके हैं. तो हमने इस छोटे से वीडियो से एक बात समझ ली कि हमें एग्जाम के लिए शेड्यूल पढ़ना बहुत ज़रूरी है. अगर आप कहीं पे एनरोल्ड हैं, वहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं, वेल एंड गुड. अगर आपकी फैकल्टी ने शेड्यूल सही से नहीं पढ़ा है, मेक श्योर दैट यू आर रीडिंग इट फॉर योर एग्जामिनेशन, बिकॉज almost every second year we get around 2 questions from these 12 schedules. For now, thank you so much. Hopefully I'll see you in the next video. If you're liking it and if you think someone might need this, please share it with those people who are doing self study and who actually want to ace these examinations called as CLAT or ALET. For now, thank you so much.